What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to create Telegram account with email. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Telegram application. As you can see, I have already logged in into my Telegram account, and if I head over to the three lines icon, there comes this interface. And if I head over to my account, there goes my account and my profile. And I have currently logged in with my phone number, and in Telegram there is currently no other way other than logging into it without the email, logging into it without the phone number. So if you want to log in with email, that is currently not possible in my region. If it is possible in your region, you can give it a try. And yeah, this is the information we needed to share with you, and we will see you in the next one.